In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve the website under maintenance issue related to Deepseek and obtain your API key. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes. When you encounter a website under maintenance or FO3 service temporarily unavailable message, it often points to a server-side problem that you, unfortunately, cannot fix directly. These situations are typically out of your hands, but I'm here to help guide you through understanding and addressing it efficiently. The first step is to navigate to the official Deepseek service status page. This page provides real-time updates on any outages or ongoing maintenance work. It's a reliable source to confirm whether what you're experiencing is an isolated incident or part of a larger, recognized issue. Checking this can save you time and prevent unnecessary troubleshooting on your end. Additionally, Deepseek may announce scheduled maintenance or major outages on their official social media channels or GitHub repository pages. Following these platforms can keep you informed about any changes or updates that affect their services, offering both peace of mind and clarity about potential temporary disruptions. If you confirm that the issue is indeed on Deepseek's side, the best course of action is to wait patiently for their technical team to resolve the problem. There's not much you can do while the issue persists, but you can use this time productively to prepare and familiarize yourself with other related processes, like obtaining or managing your API key. To proceed with getting your Deepseek API key, head over to the OpenRouter AI platform. From there, type Deepseek into the search bar. This will populate a list of relevant options, from which you'll want to select Deepseek R1 Free. Once you've opened this option, locate and click on the Quick Start link. You'll be directed to an area where you can manage API keys. Within this section, find and click on Create API Key. You'll likely have to click Create API Key a second time. This confirms your action and initiates the setup. Here, you have the opportunity to give your API key a specific name. Naming your key can help with organization, especially if you'll be managing multiple keys over time. You can leave the other fields blank for an unlimited key, a convenient option if you're not working within any particular constraints. Lastly, click Create to finalize the setup. After your API key is successfully generated, it's critical to copy and store it securely. Think of it as your personal access point to Deepseek's services. Keeping it secure ensures your activities remain undisrupted and safe. That wraps up today's tutorial. Handling these interruptions and setting up your API key doesn't have to be a headache. Thanks for watching, and remember, patience and preparation are key to navigating these digital hiccups smoothly.